Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again. And today we're going to be talking about the quadratic formula. And here, boxed in here, x equals negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a. And the general equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So this is the general equation. So we're going to use the general equation to find out what is a, b, and c. So a will be, for this one, 6x squared plus 5x minus 4. A will be 6, b is 5, and c will be negative 4. Okay, so let me write that for the first step. Let's write that down. A is equal to 6, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to negative 4. We need these so that we could put it into the quadratic formula. Okay, that's for step 1. Now for step 2, let's put them in. So there's two you have to separate them, a positive one and a negative. So I'm gonna do the negative one first. Okay, so the negative side first. So it would look like this. So negative b, which is actually 6, I'm substituting everything, minus the square root of b, which is actually 5 squared, minus 4 times 6 times negative 4, everything over 2 times 6. Okay? All right. Let's continue forward here. All right, correction here. The b is 5 here. Let me fix that. Based on here, it's 5. So let's rewrite that. So for this will be step 3 now. So rewriting this, it'll be negative 5 minus the square root of 5. 5 squared is 25. Minus 4 times 6 times negative 4. That'll be negative 96. Okay. All this is over 2 times 6, which is 12. Okay. That's step 3. Now, step 4, I'm going to do it the next page. So, step 4, which I'm going to do here, will be, now we have x is equal to negative 5 minus just 25 minus negative 96 over 12. So, this is the same as negative 5 minus the square root. Um, 25 minus negative 96 is the same as 25 plus 96. So 25 plus 96 is 121 over 12. Okay. Now step 5 will be, now negative 5 minus the square root of 121 is 11 over 12. Okay. So negative 5 minus 11 is the same as negative 5 plus negative 11, which is equal to negative 16 over 12. Right? And when we simplify that further, step 6, that'll be just x is equal to negative 4 over 3. Okay? So that's the answer when you have it for the negative one. See? Now we have to do the positive one. Okay, so let me do that in the next page. So I'm just going to put them in now. So x is equal to negative 5 plus, now we're doing the plus side, plus 5 squared minus 4 times 6 times negative 4 over 2 times 6. Okay. So the next part we would do, since it will be x is equal, we already know that this is negative 5. And we know that the inside, the square root will be the same as the other one. So it'll be 120, plus, don't forget the plus, 121 over 12. So that also means that x is equal to negative 5 plus the square root of 121, which is 11, over 12. So we know that negative 5 plus 11 is the same as subtraction. You just keep the sign of the high absolute value, which would be 6 over 12. And 6 over 12 is the same as a half. So x is equal to a half for the positive side. So you have two x's. X is equal to negative 4 over 3, and x is also equal to a half. Okay? So that is how you solve a quadratic formula problem. And you have to make sure that you separate this negative one from the positive one. Okay? And that's how you will solve it. Take it step by step, and you'll be able to solve it like this. Okay? Take care. This is Mr. Frederick out.